Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style this straight hair. The hair is actually from Eva Hair and I'm doing the unboxing for you guys to see what came in the box. The box actually came with a leaflet of how to take care of your hair and how to style it, and it also comes with an elastic band in case you don't want to use glue or gel on the hair. The hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, but you know me guys, I like to do a little bit more, so I decided to pluck the hair a little bit more. But I didn't do a lot because I wasn't going to do, style the hair all back or anything, but I just plucked a little bit, tiny bit more. So next, I washed the hair, I shampooed, I conditioned the hair. I actually used the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner to wash and condition the hair, so you can use whatever you like guys, it's not a must use that. But next I decided to blow dry the hair because I thought I would just do the video once and for all instead of letting it air dry. After washing the hair and blow drying it, then I decided to follow the normal procedure or process to apply the lace on my head. So I took the Got To Be Glued blasting spray, I applied it on my nude cap and I blow dried it, just for the cap to stick on my head. Then when I felt that was dried enough, then I cut the SX cap on my forehead and the back of my head. Then when I'm done with that, I decided to apply my contour powder. I always like to apply my contour powder on my cap and also on the lace of the wig. That way it's gonna give an illusion of a natural cap or any powder that is closer to your skin tone. I just decided to go for that one, but because it has that orange tone to it, stroke, yeah, don't listen, I don't know how to describe that, but it's your choice, like whatever you feel comfortable with. But there's something I noticed about this wig that I really like a lot. I was able to apply the wig with elastic strap at the back of the wig. I was quite surprised about the fact that the elastic strap was enough for me to hold the wig cap down on my head. But you know me guys, I always like to take precautions and glue down the side of my hair areas. That area for me is a must. So apart from that, I'm quite loving this wig so far. The lace for parting the hair was really generous guys, very generous. About 6 inch, I don't know, yeah, about 6 inches, I'm guessing, yeah, about 6 inches long, and you can style and part the hair anyhow you like. I removed the scarf and I showed you guys the part of the hair. You can part it anywhere, anyhow you want. I quite like the fact that the hair was really soft guys, very soft and silky. If not because I just had to straight the hair for you guys for the sake of the video, the hair was really silky, straight from the box, like guys, straight from the box. But I just had to do this extra bit for you guys to see how silky the hair was. And apart from that, you can curl the hair. I really didn't show how to curl this hair in this video, but I end up coiling the hair just to see how long the hair was going to last with coils, and it did really well because I used the hair straightener to curl the hair later, but not in the video. But the coil was really bouncy and very nice, so you can style it or coil it if you like. But for the sake of this video and for the sake of the fact that the hair was actually straight from the box, I decided to show you guys the original state of the hair. But in case you're wondering if you can coil the hair, yes, you can coil the hair, and yes, you can style it anyhow you like. And so far so good. I'm just applying the same shade that I applied in the cap earlier. On the cap earlier, I'm applying that on my lines or parts, I mean. So that's the finished look guys. That's what the wig looks like. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is quite a little bit different. Today I'm wearing a silky straight lace front wig and I am loving it guys. Look at how silky it is guys, and it's in 22 inches. Look at that, guys. The hair is so soft, and it felt really silky. It felt so much like my natural hair. I don't know if it's just me, but there's something about this hair that makes me feel like, no, this is my hair. It's not a wig. Guys, look at that. The hair is so silky. You can tell from the way I run my hand through it, it's really silky. I love the fact that it's very easy to apply. The hair is really silky and soft. Look at that, guys. It felt so natural. You'd have thought it was my hair. I am loving this wig, guys. It's so silky. I almost didn't want to straighten it because straight from the box the hair was really silky. I just thought, for the sake of this video, let me just straighten it for you guys. But apart from that, the hair is so soft, silky straight, and you know, soft to touch. Look at that, guys. Look at that, very silky, and it's tangle free. I'm really loving this, and based on the fact that I actually don't need to, you know, straighten the hair or whatsoever, the hair is actually straight from the box. I am loving it. I really don't normally wear straight hair, but when I see straight hair that I really like, I have no choice. Like, this one is so silky and very soft, and I love the length. It's quite true to length. Look at that, guys. This is in 22 inches, and look at how long it is. It has that luster feel to it. Like, I didn't apply any product on it apart from my... I am really loving the hair so far. The hair is really soft, it's true to length, and it's very silky. If you're the type that likes silky hair that looks so natural and tangle free, then I highly recommend this hair for you guys. Look at that. Very silky, very soft, and true to length. Another thing that I really like about this wig is the fact that the medium cap fits me perfectly, guys, perfectly, which makes it easier for me to, you know, apply the cap on my head. Another thing that I really like about this wig is the fact that it's so silky. It's very soft to touch, and it does not tangle or, you know, get matte or anything. As I run my hand through it, it was so soft. Another thing I like about this wig is the fact that the adjustable strap is enough for you, you know, to hold down the cap on your head. But for me, you know, I'm always very extra sometimes, so I had to glue both ear areas, which, you know, for me is quite essential. But apart from that, if you're the type that you really don't mind using the adjustable strap, that would definitely be enough for you to style this hair like this without having to worry about the wig falling off or anything. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that adjustable strap in the wig at the back is enough for you to, you know, hold the wig tight on your head without having to worry about the wig falling. Because I'm always used to gluing my hair area, I just had to do it. But apart from that, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it, and actually wear the wig without having to apply glue or gel or anything whatsoever at all on your wig. So that for me, it's a plus, because sometimes when you're in a hurry and you just want to wear your wig and go, that's another option for me. In a scenario when I'm really late and I have to rush out, then it's very easy for me to, you know, the adjustable strap and just, you know, go out like that without having to need to apply glue or gel on the head. That for me is absolutely amazing. I really like the fact that I can wear it and style it anyhow I like, and I also like the fact that as a lace front wig, it has 6-inch parts, which is absolutely amazing, guys. You know, I actually like the fact that I can part it all the way to the back just like a full lace wig, so that is a no-brainer for me. I like the fact that the size of the lace to part the hair is absolutely generous. I like that because it gives you the opportunity to go for center parts, half parts, or any part you want, and you have generous amount of lace to part the hair, which is really nice. So for me, I'm really loving this hair. The hair is really soft, it's amazing, it doesn't shed or tangle, and straight from the box it has been pre-plucked. No need for you to stress or worry about the fact that whether you need to, you know, worry about plucking the lace or anything. But you guys already know that I'm used to plucking my lace and all. So apart from that, I am really loving the hair. It's silky straight, very nice and true to length. I am loving it so far, guys. Look at how natural and how silky it felt. Like, seriously guys, this is really awesome. You can style it and pat it anyhow you like, which is really amazing. I am loving that about the wig so far, and I would definitely recommend the hair. The wig also comes with an elastic band in the box, so if you want to apply the wig without having to apply gel or glue, you can check out my previous video where I showed you guys how to apply elastic band on the wig. So you might as well apply an elastic band on the wig, you know, just to secure the hair without having to apply any glue or gel on it. So that's actually another amazing thing you guys can do in case you're interested in the hair. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below in case you guys are interested. Feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.